Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have a clothing box to share with you, and that is a Natalie Attired box. I'm doing it outside. It is so beautiful today. It's warm, it's sunny. This whole week has just been rainy. It was warm and kind of muggy this week, but I didn't get to spend a lot of time outside with work, the weather, so any chance I get to spend outside, we're gonna do it. It is a little bit windy today, so hopefully that doesn't get in our way because I wanna be outside, so hopefully that's okay with you guys. All right, so let's get into my box. Natalie Attired, you know it's a styling service where you fill out a style profile, you pay $20 for your styling fee. That fee does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. One thing that I love about Natalie Attired is they take measurements, and that helps get really nice sizes for you, like accurate sizes for you, that's what I meant to say. Another thing I love about Natalie Attired, their discount system. If you keep all 5 of your items, you get a 30% discount. That's really awesome. But if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 20% off. I love a styling service that offers a discount for keeping just a few items. That's really important to me. So that's another thing I love about Natalie Attired. And they have really unique clothing. So some of the clothing you won't see in other boxes. So I really do appreciate that too. And some you will. Some you'll see the same brands. But anyway, let's get into my box. I did take everything out. And they have really good customer service. So I'll pop a card up above to my last video. I think it was my last video, or maybe it was a video before that of Natalie Attired where I had an expensive pair of jeans and they reached out right away and they said, no, they're priced incorrectly. And so that I thought that was really awesome. And they reached out to me before they shipped me this box and asked if I'd be willing to try, you know, a leopard print dress. And I can't turn down leopard print. So I said, of course, I'd love to try it. Send it to me. So I do love their customer service. I will leave a link below so you can learn more about Natalie Attired or try it for yourself if you want to. I will also leave a list below of everything I received in my box as well as the prices. I don't think we're gonna do an unboxing because I have unboxed everything, but we'll do the try on and then we'll do a recap and we'll talk about everything. As always, you do get a prepaid mailer, so anything that you are not keeping goes back in here, and they use USPS. You get your invoice, which I already looked at, and then you get a note from your stylist, which is always handwritten, and then on the back it tells you what to do next, so no guessing game. So that's really nice too. All right, so I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna just start the try-on because I haven't tried anything on yet and I'm excited to do that. It's a different box, it's an interesting box, so I'm excited to see how everything works out. So let's get to it. Okay, here's the dress. So this is by Andree by Unit, and it is the short sleeve leopard print dress. It's $59. It's an extra large, and it is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So it does have a collared neckline here, and there are functional buttons from here all the way down to about right here. So the buttons do kind of blend in with the leopard print. You know I love leopard print. The sleeves are a little bit long for being short sleeve, and they do have pockets right here. So I don't know about this dress. I'm on the fence. It's totally different. Actually, let me back up so you can see the whole dress. It does come just right to about my knee. I like it. I just don't know if I love it. Here's the back. What do you think? I don't know. I just don't think it doesn't really have a lot of shape to it, and I think that's what the problem is. It's not really clingy or anything, but it just doesn't have any shape. I don't know. I don't think it does anything for me. That's what I'm trying to say. But you let me know what you think about this dress. You know I love my leopard print, but I don't think this one's a keeper for me, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. All right, I'm gonna try on another dress. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. This dress is by Misia. I think that's how you say it. It's M-I-S-I-A. And it's a short sleeve faux wrap floral dress, although this is, they say faux wrap, but it's a true wrap style dress. I'll show you in a second. It's $49, 96% spandex, no, I'm sorry, 96% polyester and 4% spandex. Did I miss anything? I don't think I did. All right, so here, the neckline, it is a little bit lower than I would like it to be. Oh, this already came undone, but they do have a tie sleeve here with kind of a keyhole detail on each side. And then right here is where the dress ties in the front. So you can see the pattern and the colors are great. I love the pattern and the colors. Let me back up so you can see the dress. It is a really pretty dress, but it's, I mean, you gotta be careful, or I'd have to be careful if I wore this dress, because if the wind blew too much, which is a pretty windy day now. Yeah, it's a true wrap style. So that's one of the only things. And then this coming undone would kind of drive me crazy if it already came undone. Here's the back. So the back is a little bit longer than the front. The front kind of comes right down to my knee length, and the back is a little bit longer. I do like it. I love the pattern. I love the colors. Like I said, the material is great. It feels really comfortable. It's just the wrap style. So I think I might pass on this one. The price is actually really nice on this one too. All right, let's try. I think I have all tops left. So let me do those and I will be right back. Okay, next top. This is by Mio Mel. It is the elbow ruffle sleeve and bottom tunic. It's $64. And it's I think it's an extra, oh no, this is saying it's a large, I think. Yeah, large. And the text, it was made in Italy, and it was kind of washed out where the fabric was. Not washed out, but it was kind of faded. So I think that it said 100% linen. It actually kind of feels like that. So the neckline is fine. The sleeves are very cute. I love the ruffle sleeves. I think it's cute, but it's a little strange. I don't know, and you'll see why. So the bottom, the bottom kind of flares out a little bit, and then the bottom of the shirt, which I like this detail, I just don't know if I like the flare. I think it has too much flare for me. The bottom of the shirt has the same ruffle detail as the sleeves, and then it's got one pocket right here with a tie, but it's kind of yeah, it's just a tie on the pocket. I don't know. I mean, I don't think this does anything for me. It's definitely a new style for me. I love the sleeves. So I think if the sleeves, if the body of the shirt had a different cut to it, so if it wasn't so flared and maybe it was a little bit more straight and had the same detail, I might like it. I don't know. It's just, I love the denim look too. It's almost like a denim look, or a chambray look. Here's the back. So it does cover what I want it to cover too. It is a good length too, but I just don't know about this one. It's a different style for me, and it is wrinkling very easily. But let me know what you think, and I have 2 more tops to try on, so let's do that. All right, I am back. This top is by Kika. This is the Reese top. It is $69. This top is 50% tencel and 50% slub cotton. Sorry, I was thrown off by the price and I forgot to tell you the materials. The size I couldn't find either on the tag or the sheet, so if I find it, I will let you know. It is a red tunic length tank. It's asymmetrical. The bottom of the tank has a deeper color red than the body of the tank. It's pulling a little bit across like the bust area here. I like this tank, but I don't know that I'm willing to pay $70 for this tank. I don't know. Here's the back. So I do like the length, and it does split here too. So that it has a cute detail there. I like it, but I don't think I like it $69 worth. So, all right, let me try the next top, and I'll be right back. Okay, so last top. This is by Zenobia. This is the sleeveless zip front floral top. It's $39, extra large, 97% polyester and 3% spandex. I do like the tank. I like the color. I like the floral print. The front has a functional zipper, so you can kind of zip it down a little bit. You can keep it fully zippered. I'd probably keep it like here if I kept this top. And then it does have kind of like pocket slits on each side here, and then on each of the end of the slits has gold accenting, which I think is really pretty. The length is pretty good in the front, so I like it. And here's the back. So the back is a little bit longer, which you know I like too. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this top. I'm not wowed by it. I do like it. I just don't love it, and I don't know how much I'd pull for it. But let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to change, and we will do a quick recap. Okay, quick recap. So what did we think? I don't know that I'm keeping anything. So this top by Zenobia I liked, but I didn't love. But I do want to show you the detail in the front with the gold accents on either side. I thought that was really pretty. And I do like the floral print. I just don't know how much I'd pull for it. I have a couple of shirts that are red floral, and I have a red and blue striped one, so I'm sorry if it gets noisy. They're doing some lawn work next door. If it gets too much, I will move inside. So I don't think I'm going to keep this one. This top by Kika, I liked it, but I don't think I liked it $69 worth, so I think this one's going back too. But here's the bottom where You can see the deeper red. I'm saying this, I watched back before I did my recap, and this did nothing for me. I do like the color of it for me, and I like the material, and I love the ruffle sleeves. I think they're so cute, but this one's gonna go back too. The wrap dress is really pretty. I just get so scared about it being the true wrap. They're calling it a faux wrap, but this is a true wrap, and I'd be so nervous, and that's all I'd be worrying about when I'm wearing it, so I don't really want to have that worry when I'm wearing a dress. So this one's going back, and then yeah, I think I'm sending back the leopard too, so I think everything's going back. Let me know what you think. You know, it was a good box. I just think there's something about each item that I would change to make it perfect for me, and I would keep something, but you know, every box can't be a 5 for 5, and that's okay. It's fun to try it. So, all right, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you all really soon in my next video. Have a wonderful day.